Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about FTM price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Now we're gonna see on the FTM per BUSD and now using a Fibonacci retracement. Also here, so it's already break at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. If they break again to the 38.2% here, it's slightly at the 1.342 US dollar. So it's you have to wait and see first until if they gonna go to this one 61.8%, then you can entry on here, right? You can entry like in here at 0.9726 US dollar. This is using a daily chart basically. For the RSI stochastic is still on the overbought zone. For the moving average here is trying first on the yellow one here, first moving average 7 on the 1.4 US dollar, and if they break again that point, then it will try to go this one. As I said before, is in here is slightly on the 0.9726 US dollar here, right? And if they go down again, they will try to go to the moving average 25. It's slightly on the 0.8206 US dollar here. Okay, for the 4-hour chart, basically this for the 4-hour chart is already break the this 23.6%, and now it's trying to go to the 38.2% at 1.34. If they break again, they it will try to go down again to the 1.1577 US dollar here, right? So this is all about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.